Hello, traders, and welcome to PL Capital's Market Review. Today is Saturday, March 11th. I am Paul, and I am going to look at the S&P and the Nasdaq today. So let's get going. So looking at the S&P futures contract, this is a 4-hour chart. Last week we were over here, and I was saying that this was looking like an expanding flat here, and that's exactly what it was. So you had 5 waves down, and then you had your A, B, C, expanding flat. And now we've got what I see so far is just 3 waves down here. Now, there is the possibility that the third wave was here, and then that means that the fourth wave was right there. But even if that's the case, I still see that they have to come down and break this low one more time for the fifth wave. So it's either they're in the process of making the third wave, they got to come down one more time for the third wave, and then they'll go up for the fourth, and then they'll come back down for the fifth, or it's just one more time down for the fifth wave, and then this will be complete. And then what we'll have is, one, two, and then three, and then what happens? And so if we look at the economic calendar for next week, huge day on Tuesday. I mean, the jobs report today was really critical, very hot again for the second month in a row. But this CPI, I think, is just will have huge implications on the market direction. So last month we went from 6.3 to 6.4. Now they're forecasting that inflation year over year should be at 6%. So if you're a bull, you have got to hope that it's at least under 6.4 and probably closer to 6. Because I think if it comes in at like 6.4, or definitely if it's higher, I think this market just rolls over really strong. So go back to the chart, and so I think this will resolve this fifth wave will resolve itself on Monday. They'll come down and take that low out one more time, and then what happens? And that'll be because we'll have three, so we'll have 1, 2, 3. Now if they just come up a little correction, that could be 4, and then and I think that this will play out by like Tuesday morning, and then it's a matter of, is CPI good or bad? If it's good, I think this market it'll rip higher, and if it's bad, then we go down for the fifth wave. So that CPI report will just be massive. That's what I see on the S&P. And yeah, this running flat played out perfectly too. So again, I see that we've got on the Nasdaq now. It looks like that we do have 1, 2, 3, and 4 are in, and I still see that it has to come down one more time to break that low that created today. They have to come and break that one more time for the fifth wave, and then it'll be, just like on the S&P, we'll have 1, 2, and then 3, and then what happens? Do we just get a little 3-wave correction? Because then that'll be 4, and then same thing. CPI should be coming out, and if it's bad, we're going down hard for the fifth wave, which means then you'll have an impulse, and then eventually you get a correction, but still more down. But if it's good, then I could see it coming higher. Now it still won't, still won't, even if CPI is bullish, still won't guarantee that we're coming up to take the high, because it could just come up in three waves and then come back down in three waves, and then we got like a diagonal going. So a lot to be seen here, but we'll know on that price action what's going to happen here. But first things first, got to come break that low one more time to finish this move off, and I really believe CPI will tell you which way we're going then. All right, that's what I've got. Let me know any comments or questions. Thanks for watching, and good luck to you all. Bye.